Hello friends, in this video I will show how to send Excel file by Gmail. So you can send entire Excel worksheet or any particular part of Excel worksheet. For any particular part, open your Microsoft Excel. Now select the data which you want to send. Like I want to send this particular area of this Excel worksheet. Right click and copy. Open the Gmail. Click on Compose. Enter your friend's email where you want to send, then subject and paste it. Then send it. You want to send entire Excel worksheet. So firstly, save your Excel or save as on your PC. With any name and save it. Now here click on this attach files and select that entire Excel worksheet. Then send it. So this is the method you can send Excel data via Gmail or email. Thanks for watching. न्यूबॉर्न बेबी के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, चेकलिस्ट नहीं होती अलग अलग टाइप की, बहुत वीडियो बन सकते हैं हर तरह की चेकलिस्ट है ना, वेडिंग चेकलिस्ट, ट्रैवलिंग चेकलिस्ट, तो वो रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट होते हैं, उसमें कुछ चेंजेस करके अपने हिसाब से आप बना सकते हो, प्रिंट निकाल सकते हो।